Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 8 Mathoura Avenue in Sheidow Park. I've got a beautifully well-loved family home in a quiet street, just walking distance to Sheidow Park Primary School in this beautiful quiet location. I love Sheidow Park. It's close to the new expressway entrance just off Adams Road. It's close to Hallett Cove Shopping Centre and of course you're just a hop, step and a jump from the beautiful Seacliff Beach. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. This one is just a really honest, well-maintained home in original condition, but it's got the bones to be something really great. And I love this location. It's a quiet street and it's so convenient to Brighton Beach, Hallett Cove shops, and a lot of the other features and benefits of the southern lifestyle. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.